watching CBS 5 News, telling it like it is.
Hey, still to come on this Wednesday morning.
The Valley goes Glee. Don't you love this? More from Mountain Ridge High School. It is 4:46. We'll be right back.
Whoa!
With the 14 on the floor, they'll be waiting at the door. You know, without a doubt, I'll be really making out in Grease Lightning.
Go Grease Lightning,
yeah, I love that kid.
The quarter mile.
Grease Lightning, go Grease Lightning.
Yeah, Grease.
Love that music. Hey, the Valley goes Glee. We've been highlighting Glee clubs across the Valley this month, and
Yes.
Katie's here, and she had a tour of a Glee club in Glendale.
Yes, Mountain Ridge High School, and this was very fun. One student, truly, he found his passion through show choir. Take a look at this.
One day I just woke up and I could sing.
And from that day forward, all Marquise wanted to do was sing.
That's what drives me, and I just get really happy and just get really, I just, whew, I just love it.
So Marquise joined the choir, but he wanted something more.
I feel that choir needs some movement or needs some funniness or needs something that attracts the eye.
I'll have me overhead lifters and
Marquise found just what he was looking for, show choir, and he's the star of the show.
When Marquise steps on this stage, he says the feeling he gets is kind of like falling in love.
Like when you love somebody and like your entire body just turns, like it heats up, like you can feel it heat up inside of you. That's how it is. Like I just love to sing.
Marquise is going to school in New York in the fall and then plans to go on to Hollywood. Stay tuned, you might be seeing this face again.
Dream come true. Dream come true.
It's funny, we were just talking about Glee camps, and
Yeah,
a lot of
are
these
there?
folks, yeah, there are. There are show choir. It's huge in the Midwest, and so a lot of folks go, and a lot of times they take the whole choir, they practice, and then they'll go on retreat so they get to know each other because they require
One
a lot
time
of trust.
at Glee camp. Oh,
Nice,
boy.
Paul. But it's such a positive thing for these kids.
It is.
And to see them doing something all together like that.
Yeah, and he's heading to New York, by the way.
He's going to do well.
You'll have to give us an update on his success, which
I
we're
believe
sure
it.
that he will have.
I'm sure he
Well,
will.
speaking of success, coming up in the next hour, we've got highlights of Jose Miguel and his Glee Club. You don't want to
We
miss
showed
that.
your picture last
Oh,
week.
yes.
So